Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. We got a lot of challenges right here. So I got 3 days of rain. So I'm really not getting a lot of power. Yesterday I took a chance and I plugged in the refrigerator to the battery bank before I went to work. So it was 12.2 when I went to work, and when I got home it was 12.1 volts. So the chance I was taking was that maybe when I got home that the refrigerator wouldn't be running, but it was running. Today I went to work. I had a half day today. I went to work. I did not use battery power. I just kept the refrigerator plugged into the outlet for all practical purposes. It's 2 o'clock right now, and it's only up to 12.5 at the moment. So I might not use battery power tomorrow either. We'll see. I just wanted to see how long it takes to charge it up. We got monsoon season this autumn, but we live and we learn. I got changes that's going to happen to my channel. I am completely demonetized. I have been the whole time, because I did some web design for certain individuals maybe in the past, but I'm going to go homesteading. I am looking for another house, and prepper kinda. I am loving all of the different families out there in YouTube land that is taking the challenge, getting animals and making garden forests. You wouldn't believe how much I eat. I am pretty fit for a 53-year-old, and I was astounded with how much I actually spend on fruits and vegetables. It's crazy. So that's the direction I'm going to go. So if I go like Prepper Nurse 1 and I come home and I shoot a video of all the different prepper stuff I'm going to stock up on, food and everything for bug out or whatever, that just might be the route I'm going to go. I'm really running out of things. It's going to be super noisy here in a little bit. I'm running out of other things for the solar. I can do reviews on stuff that I'm buying, but I don't know if I'm going to bring any more stuff into this off-grids at the moment. I am going to buy 2 great big, this umbrella's going crazy, some great big batteries real soon for the Christmas bonus, so that's going to be a plus. So I'm just afraid if I don't go prepper, if I don't go homestead, that I won't even be able to do 1 video a month here pretty soon. But that's where I'm going. I'm going to start shooting those kind of videos soon. I did get some prepper stuff not too long ago. I'm not going to do a video on that yet. I'm still pretty stoked with this off-grid stuff. I got 9 batteries in the basement at the moment. It's quite a challenge. I love this stuff. I wish I could afford more. I'm going to get probably some lumber here pretty soon and start building some solar arrays, because this don't look very pretty like this. I want some nice looking solar arrays. One for the big blues, one for the Harbor Freights, and one for the 120 watt solar panels. Alright, signing out. Have a nice sunny day.